Evergreen, Candid. New trends in ICSE Computer Skills for Class 4.
Chapter 4. The Internet, Web Browser. Key concepts: network in terms of Internet, basic requirements for an Internet connection, parts of a browser window, address bar, refresh button, favorite, history, home, stop, back and forward, new tab. Related terms like www, URL, ISP, net surfing, search engine. Everyone is familiar with the term Internet today. Internet is a computer network. This means two or more computers are interconnected together with the help of special devices. Interconnected computers can share information among them. What is Internet? Internet is a worldwide network of networks. It is also the network of networks that connects millions of computers, called hosts. When you connect two or more computers, you form a network. Computers in the network can communicate with each other. Department of Defense of Research Sites. Hardware requirements for the Internet. URL.
Chapter 5.
Chapter 6. Key concepts: